I'm doing a workshop here at the farm on Saturday, June the 9th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I'm calling it Being versus Doing, Where is the Balance? And we're going to have a discussion about how we've evolved from human beings to human doings and how to bring more beingness to our doingness in a way that doesn't make us less productive, but it makes us actually more productive, because when we're grounded in our beingness, we are clearer channels for divine guidance to flow through us. And when we are in the business of doing in this way, we are doing more like wildlife and animals living in their natural environment, and the trees and the plants, especially now in spring where they're so busy. But they're not getting stressed out and bent out of shape, and they're not 10 steps ahead of themselves like we tend to be. So we'll meet here and we'll kind of take our cue from nature, but I'm also going to teach people some really powerful tools to help them get to the root, what might be driving unconsciously all of their doing and efforting, so that when we can release that stuff, or at least loosen it, our doing looks more like ease and flow, and more like a creative, inspired, joyful impulse versus a push.